Go.
Hey, guys.
We're gonna be doing a burping contest.
I just need to fill up my.
I'll be doing juice, as much juice as I can.
Do you have to chill this? Or?
No, it's already been chilled. Okay, I will be going first.
Ross, you can't use juice at some.
Yeah, it is, because you did use all your juice, right? Okay, Ross is first.
Okay.
Please hurry up, boys. We need to talk to you.
Ready. Here I go.
Oh, and that's Ross.
That's Ross's
Okay,
first try. Now we go to Liam. That wasn't any better, but let's go. Peace. Okay, now it's me. I once had 5 cents and I shoved it in the bin. Oh, and that's no burp. No, that's because you made me laugh. That's because you made me laugh. No, fair. I burped before you, so I'm still safe. No burp.
Wait.
I still have.
Hold on.
I still have time to come back.
No, you
Yes, I burped.
Nah, you
I burped.
That was a.
I just burped there. Yes, Ross wins the competition.
I just burped then.
Yeah, but I burped before you. I burped before
I just
you.
burped then.
Yeah, but I burped before you. So Ross wins.
Okay.
Yeah. Stop. Sorry, Liam. Good game.
Yeah.
There's our referee Thompson. Right, you ruined every video, so shut up. And hi, I'm Ross. So see ya.
Bye.